Hey guys, so today, welcome to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm actually finally showing you guys my DIY accent wall here. Yes, finally, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna run through everything and then I'm gonna cut to the voiceover. But I did want to let you guys know just a few details before you see, like, the room is not final, but I want to, you know, kind of get you in the vibe of where we're actually going with the actual room. So yes, so first let me say I got this inspiration off of Instagram. Hey guys, so I wanted to start off with the picture that inspired me to do my wall. This is the picture that was linked to an Instagram page. I'll link it in the description below, but this is how theirs turned out. And I wanted to show you guys the vibes that we were going for. So in the Instagram page, she went with kind of like a modern chic kind of look, just a sitting room. This is actually going to be our green room slash music room. We're really big lovers of music. And so we are turning this into kind of like a, you know, playful music room that we have. Sometimes we call it green room, sometimes we call it the music room. This is like my favorite part of the room to go to once I'm off of work, and I just turn on my record player and I just put on some Miles Davis and I kind of just vibe out. I meditate, and it just gives me all of what I need. We're not finished with this room. We still need a light fixture. We're getting some vinyls made for us to hang up. So I'll show you guys so far of what we have. These pillows right here, I'm not gonna keep these pillows as well, but most of my house is kind of like farmhouse modern. So these pillows actually came with the couch. And I purchased the couch from Wayfair, if anyone was curious about that. But again, I will leave everything in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I completed my DIY accent wall. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, so here is a look of the room. We're calling this the flex room, green room slash music room. This is with the bare colors. Now, originally I was gonna go with the color that you've seen in the Instagram picture, but on my walls it actually looked gray, and I'm gonna show you that you see the gray. And I'm not feeling that color, so I actually went with the green color. Again, we did purchase the paint from Lowe's, and I'll link the name and everything below. So here is the room all painted up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the supply list. Alright guys, so we're going to just go ahead and head right into this next tip. Now, this is highly recommended if you're going to do some type of accent wall. So I actually mapped out the actual wall first. So here we purchased painter's tape to just get our spacing together, and this was a tip that the lady from Instagram gave me as well. So you see that we have placed the painter's tape on the wall, and just to see like where it would meet in the middle. Our measurement will be different from yours. It all depends on the actual wall. So for the spacing in between the boards, we did about 2.5 inches. And then the boards going up and the boards going down, they were 5 feet. Again, you would have to measure your actual wall to kind of space out and get the look that you're going for. Now, this also helped us decide on how many boards to actually get. So this is why I highly recommend, so you don't waste any money getting extra boards. You can already know how your wall is going to look and how many boards you would need. All right, so we are on to the board. So these are the boards that we decided to get. These are from Lowe's. Shout out to Lowe's. Lowe's came through. Okay, so with the boards, we decided to get the ones that were already primed, the ones that were mostly, all of them were in pretty good shape. I did have to go through them to make sure that they didn't have any dents here. We purchased about 32 boards all together, and the pricing for that was around $145. We did decide to let Lowe's cut them for us, and then we brought them home and painted them. So here goes the fun part with putting the boards up on the wall. Okay, so we did have to get help on this part. Hunter was so nice enough to line up our boards for us and just go and put them up for us. So shout out to Hunter. Thank you, Hunter. And so here, this is the final. All I have to do now is fill in the holes from the nails with the wood filler. And then the wall would be complete. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I didn't want it to be too long, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below and I can answer them for you. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Look at the wall, it's so amazing. Oh my god, I love this wall, guys. All right, bye.